हेलो, वेलकम टू अंशिका's अकेडमी आफ्टर अ लॉन्ग हॉलीडे। क्योंकि मेरा आज बीएससी का एग्ज़ाम था, इसलिए मैंने ब्रेक दे दिया था थोड़ा सा यूपीएससी के लिए। तो आज से ये सीरीज़ वापस कंटिन्यू होगी। इसमें सबसे पहले हम एंशिएंट इंडिया फिनिश करेंगे। एंशिएंट इंडिया में टोटल 33 चैप्टर्स हैं। इस छोटी सी वीडियो में मैं ये चैप्टर्स देखते हैं। Chapter number 1. The significance of ancient Indian history. Unity in diversity, the relevance of the past to the present. Modern historians of ancient India, chronologist views, colonialist views and their contribution, nationalist approach and its contribution move towards non-political history. Nature of sources and historical construction. Material remains, coins, inscription, literary sources, foreign accounts, village study, natural science, historical science, constructing history, geographical setting. Emergence of India, the role of monsoon, the northern boundaries, rivers, natural frontiers and cultural contacts, minerals and other resources. Ecology and environment. Ecology, environment and human advance, surroundings and settlements, terrain and human effort. Ancient attitudes towards the environment. The linguistic background. Principal language groups: Austroasiatic, Tibeto-Burman, Dravidian, Indo-Aryan ethnic groups and language families. Human evolution. The old Stone Age. African ancestors of human being. The early man in India. Phases in the Paleolithic age. The Mesolithic age. Hunters and herders. Art in the old Stone Age. Earliest human organization. The Neolithic age. First food producers and animal keepers. Earliest rural settlements in Balochistan. Use of bone tools. Use of bone tools in the sites of Burj Mains, Iran. Neolithic settlements in South India. Farming and cereals. Progress in and limitation of the Neolithic phase. Chalcolithic cultures. Chalcolithic settlements. Importance of the Chalcolithic phase. Limitations of Chalcolithic culture. The copper hoards of the ochre-colored pottery phase. Harappan culture. Bronze Age. Urbanization in the Indus Valley. Introduction, town planning and structures. Agriculture. Domestication of animals. Technology and crafts. Trade and commerce. Social organization. Polity. Religious practices. The male deity in the Indus Valley. Trained animal worship. The Harappan script. Weights and measures. Harappan pottery. Seals and ceilings. Images. Terracotta figurines. Stonework. End of the Indus culture. Maturity. Post-urban phase. Percolation of the new peoples. Problem of origin. Was the Harappan culture Vedic? Problem of continuity. Chronology of Harappan archaeology. Identity of Aryan culture. Text for traits of Aryan tracts of traits of Aryan culture. The horse, its domestication and diffusion. The war chariot, spoked wheels. Horse remains in the subcontinent. Pit dwelling, birds, cremations. The fire cult, animal sacrifice, horse sacrifice. The cult of Soma. The swastika, language and inscriptional evidence. Dispersal of the Indo-Aryans. Chronology. The age of the Rig Veda. Arrival of the Indo-Aryans, tribal conflicts, cattle rearing and agriculture, tribal chiefdom, tribal and family, social differentiation, Rigvedic codes, chronology. The later Vedic phase, transition to state and social orders, expansion in the later Vedic period, 1000 to 500 BC, use of iron, agriculture, arts and crafts, settlements, political organization, social organization, gods, rituals and philosophy. Jains and Buddhism, the causes of origin, Vardhaman Mahavira and Jainism, doctrines of Jainism, spread of Jainism, contribution of Jainism, Gautam Buddha and Buddhism, doctrines of Buddhism, features of Buddhism and the causes of its spread, cause of the decline of Buddhism, significance and influence of Buddhism, territorial states and the rise of Magadha, conditions for the rise of the large states, the Mahajanpadas, the rise and growth of the Magadhan Empire, causes of Magadha's success, Iranian and Macedonian invasions. Iranian invasion, results of the contact, Alexander's invasion, effects of Alexander's invasion, state structure and the Varna system. In the age of Buddha, second urbanization, rural economy, administrative system, army and taxation, the republican experiment, social orders and legislation. Conclusion. The Mauryan age. Chandragupta Maurya Imperial Organization Ashoka 273 to 232 BC Ashokan inscriptions impact of the Kalinga War internal policy and Buddhism Ashoka's place in history. The significance of Maurya rule, state control, economic regulations, art and architecture, spread of material culture and state system, cause of the fall of the Maurya Empire, Brahminical reaction, financial crisis, oppressive rule, new knowledge in the outlying areas, neglect of the northwest frontier, and the Great Wall of China. Great Wall of China. Central Asian contact and mutual impact. Political aspect: the Indo-Greeks, the Sakas, the Parthians, the Kushans, the Indo-Sasanians. Second, cultural consequences, structures and polity, better cavalry, trade and agriculture, polity, new elements in Indian society, religious development, the origin of Mahayan Buddhism, Gandhara and Mathura schools of art, language, literature and learning, science and tech, chronology. The Satvahana phase, political history, aspect of material culture, social organization, pattern of administration, religion, architecture, language, chronology. The dawn of history in the deep south, the megalithic background, state formation and the development of civilization, three early kingdoms, the purse and the sword, rise of social classes, beginning of Brahmanism, Tamil language and Sangam literature, social evolution from Sangam text, crafts, commerce and urban growth, 200 BC to 250 AD, crafts and craftsmen, types of merchants, trade routes and centers, goods in foreign trade, money economy, urban growth, rise and growth of the Gupta Empire, 24 chapter A. Background: Chandragupta first AD 319 to 334, Samudragupta AD 335 to 380, Chandragupta second AD 380 to 412, fall of empire. Life in Gupta age, system of administration, trends in trade and agrarian economy, social developments, the state of Buddhism, the origin and growth of Bhagavatism, art, literature, science and tech, spread of civilization in eastern India, science of civilization, Orissa and eastern and southern MP, Bengal, Assam and the formative phase. Harsa and his times, Harsa's kingdom, administration, Buddhism and Nalanda. 28th, Brahmanization, rural expansion and peasant protest in the peninsula, the new states of the Deccan in South India, the Kalbhara revolt, conflict between the Pallavas and Chalukyas, temple, demands on the peasantry, land grants and rural expansion, social structure and Brahmanization, developments in philosophy. Goals of life: Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Visheshika, Mimamsa, Vedanta, Charvaka and the materialistic view of life. Cultural interaction with Asian countries, India's relation with the outside world, Buddhism in Sri Lanka, Myanmar, China and Central Asia, Christianity and West Asian relations, Indian culture in Southeast Asia, cultural give and take. From ancient to medieval, social crisis and agrarian change, rise of landlords, new agrarian economy, decline of trade and towns, changes in Varna system, rise of regional identities, trends in literature, the Dravidian hierarchy, the Bhakti cult, Tantrism, sequence of social changes, introduction, tribal and pastoral phase, agriculture and the origin of the upper orders, the Varna system of production and governments, social crisis and the rise of the landed classes, legacy in science and civilization, religion, the Varna system, philosophical system, crafts and technology, polity, science and mathematics, medicine, geography, art and literature, strength and weaknesses. These are 33 chapters. एक बार चैप्टर्स ब्रॉडली वेज में एक बार वापस चैप्टर्स को देखते हैं. चैप्टर नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The significance of ancient Indian history, modern histories, historians of ancient India, nature of sources and historical construction, geographical setting, ecology and environment, linguistic background, human evolution, the old stone age, the Neolithic age, the first food producers and animal keepers, earliest. The Neolithic age, first food producers and animal keepers, Chalcolithic cultures, Harappan culture, Bronze Age, urbanization in the Indus Valley, identity of Aryan culture, the age of Rigveda, the later Vedic phase, transition to state and social orders, Jainism and Buddhism, territorial states and the rise of Magadha, Iranian and Macedonian invasions, state structure and the Varna system in the age of the Buddha, the Maurya age, the significance of Maurya rule, Central Asian contact and mutual impact, the Satvahana phase, the dawn of history in the deep south, crafts, commerce and urban growth, 200 BC to 250 AD, rise and growth of the Gupta Empire, life of the Gupta age, spread of civilization in eastern India, her scientist times, Brahmanization, rural expansion in peasant protest in the peninsula, developments in the philosophy, cultural interactions with Asian countries from ancient to medieval, sequence of social change, legacy in science and civilization. Thanks for watching. Thanks again.